Yeah, it's started recording also. First of all, I will go to my desktop. I will go to my desktop first of all. The path I will can choose now. Okay. CD/. See my path. I am presenting the path is in my desktop. In desktop, any demo file, any demo folder is present. It's no. I creating demo folder using this command prompt. Okay. What is the keyword? Mkdir, make directory. Okay. You can use that keyword. You can give the folder name. That time it's creating one folder. You can see in the demo folder will be created. Okay. I open this folder. I will close my CMD. I'm opening my demo. After that, you can give the in the path you can directly give in the CMD. That time you can enter now. So directly open with your path. Okay. And next, we already Django installed. What is the version of Django version? 2.2. Okay. Okay. I'm creating one project using Django. Django, what is the command? Project. I'm given one project. What is the project? Demo one. Demo one project I create. You can see in my folder demo one file will be created. In the file you can see in the again one demo file will be is present, and also manage.py file is present. This manage.py file will be controlling the entire this folder. Okay, and also you are creating any another files and folders in this path, and also controlling by the manage.py file. I'm already explaining this manage.py file, what where where files, where in the files it's a controlling in the demo one file. Okay, see one time I will open with demo. After you get, again you can minimize it. You can otherwise you can click on X button and you can go now. Again you can give the CMD and you can run now. Can open with your CMD. You can see first of all you can see in a manage.py file present. That time you can go now. You can search in the your path. That time you can enter in the CMD. That you can enter now. That path entirely path will be coming. It's directly coming. You can enter simple code. Any code editor are you using? It's a can all are using Visual Studio Code. It's a Visual Studio Code. This is a okay. How to shortcut of the Visual Studio Code open? It's a simply you can do the code space dot. You can enter now directly this path in the file folder. Also you can open now in this time. You can see in demo one in file in the init.py file. In init.py file no data will be present. In the settings.py before you can see before settings dot py file. Before I will go to manage.py file. Manage.py file, it's a two important things are import files to import import the two files, that is the one of file OS file and a SYSS file. Okay, system files and operating system files we are importing. And next you can see one function will be creating. It's a main function. Main function means you can starts with main. Okay, this is the if underscore underscore name and underscore underscore name equal to main means you can start with this line, starts with this line. Any one of the code will be executing before you can start with executing this line. Okay, after execute that lines. Okay, in the method we are calling this function. What is this function in the code? Main. In the main you can see in the eighth line you can utilize the os in the, it's a model os, it's a written the nt and proxy depend. You can utilize that functions in the os. In os environmental, set default the environmental, you can go to the Django settings. You can directly go to the Django settings. That is the Django settings module. That is the demo one dot. What is the path? In the demo one. Demo one is the main project. My main project file is demo one. In the demo one file present in the settings.py file. You can go to that file. Okay. I will go to the settings.py file. Settings.py file.
Shiva, excuse
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Is this come by default or we have to write the complete code
No,
in
no,
manage?
no. It's a default. It's came. You can creating one project. You can see what is the command. Django admin, create one project. Sorry, start project. You give in the one folder name. That's that time. These packages will be by defaultly came. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. In this also we are all we use the OS module, OS path, OS one of the library, you know already. I will explain today. I will explain. This is the base dir. Base dir. What is the base dir? You can go. You can see in the base dir path directory name. In the directory name, you can go now. This function, the directory. This is the one of the function directory. In the directory, it's go to the search the file. Okay. Okay. Don't go to this type of Python files. Don't open it in this Django, because any one of you can put in the one keywords or any you can number or you can put in the this file, can't access it. Okay, entirely your project will be collapse. Don't go this type of files. Don't open it. Okay, it is actually it is the finding the path of the file. Okay, and next we are initialization the install means we can access the apps through this in the installed apps. We are after we are creating one app, that time you can install now in this. Okay, in the middleware, that time I will explain now. Middleware you can utilize now, that time I will explain in detail one by one. And after mainly it's a root config, and next this file go to the demo.root. Okay, and next templates. It's a this is the main important in the base dir. You can see already base dir above it's mention it how to call this base dir os dot path join dot. You can copy now this command. You can just put now in these drits. Okay, in the base dir you can in these three buttons, three dots are present. This time you can give the folder path templates. అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ ది స్మాల్ లెటర్ ఆల్సో యాజ్ యువర్ విచ్. మీరు ఎలా అయితే ఇక్కడ ఇస్తారో అలానే సేమ్గా మీరు ఒక ఫోల్డర్ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. ఏ లెవెల్లో క్రియేట్ చేయాలో కూడా చెబుతాను. యు ఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్ ది సేమ్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫోల్డర్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ది సేమ్ నేమ్. ఓకే, దట్ టైమ్ ఇట్స్ యాక్సెసింగ్ ఈజీలీ and it's correctly work on. You can give in the in this time given the small letter and you are putting in the folder name is capital letter. That's not a time it shows the error. Okay, sorry. Given any name templates or otherwise assets. can give any name given to your name also. That time you are creating also same folder level. Okay, you can create folder. In this level we are creating one folder. No, not in this. Okay, you can click now in this. Okay, in this tab already we created the templates. Okay, copy now. Click now. మీరు ఇక్కడ సరిగ్గా చూడండి. మీరు నేను ఎక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నానో చూడండి. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ సెలెక్టింగ్ దిస్ పాత్. Totally I selected. Don't select any folder. I selected the main path. Okay, after I create one folder, that's name is folder, template folder. I create one template folder. Okay. Wait a minute, guys. Hello, Subham. Yeah, guys. Yeah, who is this? Please write the code in 1 second. Okay, I will pay. This is the command I will write in the chat box. You can copy now. Django admin start project. You can give the any name. I given the demo one. Okay, this is the command. Okay, I created one template. Okay, after I will create a templates also. Okay, this is the main important. Don't forget, this is the main important files in this. We are putting in the HTML files in this folder. Okay, templates folder. And also how to get the that code. This is the code. uh, you can select now os.path.join based here. Okay, you can find the file. This based here, it's access the this file, because we are calling the based here in this right already right now. This is the based here. This based here, find this file, this folder or file. Find this, find the folder or file using based here. Okay, and next came to database. The database of by default it's given SQLite 3, and also it's a voice.path dot based here db SQLite 3. You can see in this tab no database is present, but once I can run this application, that time it's automatically create the db SQLite 3. You can see in this no db SQLite 3 is not present. Run this application, just run the code manage.py run server. You can see db SQLite 3, it's a by default you can run now. That time it's a by default it's came. Okay, and next time zone is you can change now Kolkata, and it's a Indian language you can convert now, and also language also you can convert now. Otherwise you can use this English US language. Okay, and next is statics files. I will explain after. Okay, first of all today I will explain how to create app through using command line. Okay, in the code editor. Okay, you can just of all you can give in the Django admin start app. I give in the app one. See, app one is created. What are the files? What are the files is present? You can see one of the migrations files is present. Migration files I will explain now. In the same demo file will be init.py file. It's a same file will be In the app level also one file is present. In the init.py file also same empty file related, same similar to demo one file. And next admin level, in admin level also we do the some code. It's a little bit code. Okay, and apps, it's related to your app. What is the name of your app? Okay, your app name is app1. Okay, it's giving the some class. You created some class and app config and app config name. Okay, we utilize now how to install, how to link this app to the main project. I will explain. And next, models means we are creating the models, means we are creating the tables. Okay, in the database by defaultly you can see in the what is this amp server say by defaultly given the tables. We are just calls to the creating the column names with column names and db names, table names, sorry. DB name already is given. Same similarly we creating with through the coding. Okay, we develop the models. And next test.py file, it's not necessary. It's a testing time you can utilize now, just of all testing purpose. And most important, views.py file. In the views.py file, it's we are creating the functions. We are working on totally in functions. But in classes we creating the in models we creating the classes. Okay, in views. First of all, how to connect this app in my main project. Okay, what is the my app name? It's a app1. Just copy now. You can go now your settings in project level settings. You can go now. Okay, you can see install apps are present. That time you can just click on enter, giving the single quotes or double quotes anyway as you wish. And next you can paste now that app name. Okay. Any doubts in this? You are, and next you can save now. This dot will be present. That time you can edit the your file. Can't save it that time. You can save now. That time it shows the X button. Okay. And next once you can run now your application. Any errors will be present or not? You can check now. What is the command? Python. You given the py or py. Python you can write it totally. I just write py. You can see any no errors is fine. Okay, no issues. Okay, that time it's a run. I will run this. It's a directly to opening. Okay, this is the file. Okay, and next how to create one view, how to create that view, and how to link this URL. First of all, you can this view. What is the file name? Views.py file. You can first of all import these files in the URL. This is the main important URL. URL path is main important. You can see in our website. In your website, this is the main important. The URL action depends upon goes through your page. Otherwise, it's throws the error. Okay. Okay. In this time, you can use include also. Include function also one of the path related. After that, you can use directly that you can directly import these files in the how to import these files. You can first of all give in the your folder name in file presenting in the app1 folder. First of all we call the folder from what is the folder name app1. After I can import the views file. I can import the this views file. First of all views. Okay, after that you can right now path. I'm creating one URL. Okay, it's a URL. You see, Is the first of all you are giving the brackets, that's the URL. You are additionally added to the, you can see, all are seen in the 187 127.0.0.1 and east. Total, this is the local host. You can give the local host also. Local host also, it's again. It's go to 8,000. It's again same page, or otherwise you can give 127 point that's related to your website, your system. Okay, you can select now, that also you can utilize now. Okay, this is the URL. I can add the URL. First of all, I'm giving the test. Okay, URL extension, I will give the test. And next, what is this, where we come, that is, it's a came from views. I will give the views dot, I will create one function. A function name is home home function, and next I can pass the name. Anytime, maybe I'm in future that this URL will be, I will call now. That time you can utilize this name home, because I am giving the name. Okay, and next we go to create one function. That function name is, what is the function name? Home function. Okay, we creating the one function. That function is a def. Def function means home function we are creating. And next, sorry, I'm not given columns. After that, return, I can run return function, and next render, and next I will give the HTML file. After, okay, I will give you first of all HTTP response. I will explain now. That is the render. Otherwise, I will explain. Okay. Okay, sorry. First of all, first keyword is a request. We pass the first of all request. A request. This also, this function requests. Okay, next giving the template, I will given the home.html file, and next give the context. This is the context parameters. We are giving the some data you can pass us through the shows through the HTML page. In that time it's utilized now. I will explain totally. And next we create the one template. It is a HTML page, that is the home.html. We'll copy now. I will create one new. It's paste now. Home.html. Okay, in HTML, I will create one. Okay, and H1. I can pass test. Okay, also run now. In this time, you can see it's a home will be changed to the yellow color, because this is the one of the function. This is the that function. I can write this data. Okay, and next I can run the file. Any errors are present, that time it shows the error. Okay, request, my request will be maybe request required position argument. So home test. Required position request. Okay, it's correct. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, class base. Okay, start. Okay, you start home. Okay, I'm giving the wrong in this function. Okay, this time you can see what happened. Not showing views in app one import views. It's not showing. Why? What happened? Mhm. Where else? Okay, app one. Okay, maybe settings were not for file. I can't save it. Maybe app one. Save now. What happened? From my app. Okay, import views. Mhm. In URL, it's a game views. Okay, I can't apply the migrations. That's the problem. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, you can see the test will be present. Okay, you can see the test. The test page will be coming. Guys, any doubts? I will again explain now, or otherwise I will continue now.
Explain again, sir.
Okay. First of all, you can see this is the URL. We can add the URL that time. It's in this time maybe it's error. My project not running because it's showing error. Okay, this is the starting. Mainly, it's a start from you can first of all install the apps in your settings. Okay, what is your app name? First of all, you can go now in our apps. You can see this is the name. Don't change this name. Okay, your file name and this is the name will be same. Okay, don't change it. This name you can copy now. You can copy now. After you can came to settings.file and you can put now in your app name. You can give in the single quotes or double quotes. After you can give the comma. Definitely you can give now. Maybe you can start. So you can in this you can give now in the start also as your wish. You can give any second line, third line as your wish. Okay, but comma is the most important and the columns is most important. Don't forget these things. After that, you can save now. After you can go now in URL path. You create one URL. First of all, before you create a URL, you can first of all import the this views file. Okay, because we are write the all the views in the views file in the app level. You can write the views file. Okay, from means we are using views file. In views file, where we can put in the that file in the app1 file, because I am calling the app1 file in app1 folder, not a file, sorry, it's a folder, app1 folder. I am importing the views file. Okay, and after giving the path, before this Visual Studio, it shows the green color, but in this time it's showing the white color because some confusion is there. It's a little bit of advanced this Visual Studio before 1 month ago. Okay, again it's updated maybe because it's showing white color. Yeah, some old versions also shows the it's a green color. Functions it's files will shows the green color. Okay, it's a modified maybe. And next given the URL. This is the URL. In URL means you can add this URL. Okay, you can extra add the in your previous URL. Okay, I'm adding the test. Okay, and next I will give slash, otherwise you can as your wish, given or not. Okay, and next given the comma, you can separate now. Okay, and next you can pass as the this view copy now, this you can paste now. And next you can put in the dot, means in your file has a one function is there, that function is I am not created but created after I will create. Okay, I will give in the home, just to home you can give now, don't give the brackets also, it's not necessary. And next you can give the name. Why I am giving the name, maybe this URL, maybe after I can utilize now, that I'm just of all giving the name. Okay, this name directly it calls the this URL home. And after I will go to views.py file. In views.py file I create a one function, that function name is home. Okay, in home we pass the one parameter, that is the request. Okay, it's a must and should, you can pass the first in the request function, you can definitely pass in the one of the argument of the function. Okay, and next you can return now, return render. In render you can first of all pass the request. Okay, this render you can first of all this function you call to the request. Okay, you can request to the HTML, you can go to the that HTML page. Okay, you can give the HTML page, and after you can give the context. Okay, in the HTML page I will give in the home.html. Okay, I created one home.html in the template level. Okay, I selected the template, I created one folder, one file, sorry, in the html home.html. Okay, in HTML I can write this code. In this write the h1 tag, I can write the text. Okay, I can first of all check now URL. It's a color will be changed in the home. It's a not change. Why? Because I'm not save this file. Once I will save now, you can change this URL. You can see in the white color will be present. But in this time I am not save this views file. Once I will save this file, its color will be changed home. Okay, you can see now I'm save now, save this file, views file will be I'm already save now. Okay, you can see in the mark will be came. You can go now, you can go to URLs. In URLs you can see home will be not, it's the same or not. You can see it's a home, the color will be changed. Okay, anyone any doubts, guys? Anyone any doubts? I will run this file. Okay, See, no errors, no issues are present. I will copy this and run this. It's a showing, it's a page not found because it's a not a no data will be present in this URL. I can add the extra URL that is the test. I can enter now. It's a claim H1 test. Okay. Anyone any doubts? This action you can understand the term. You can easily create the number of pages and you can link to the URLs. Okay. Do practice today. It's only I will how to connect this. First of all, I will remember it. I will first of all I will tell you again. First of all, install app. First of all, you create one app. What is the command of the how to create one app? It's a Django admin start app. You can give any name. That time you create these files. This folder also. It's a came in the most importantly use file. You can go to use file, you create one function. After that you came to urls file and you can first of all call this file. First of all you can call the folder, that folder name you want to give an whatever maybe that name you can call now. After you can import the views file. That views file has a one function is there, that is the home function. You add whatever maybe you are giving the name that related to name you can give now only in this. After that you can give the name as your wish you are given or not. It's your are you given that time you can use the comma division operator. Okay. After that you can create a template. You can template how to create now template. First of all you go to your main project settings. In the main project settings you can see one of the grid in the templates is the grids are present. In the grids you can this code will be you can copy from the any above line is present. It's a commented line in the in this you can utilize this code. You can just of all copy and paste now. Okay. This is the finding the path of this folder. Okay. I'm already told you it's a voice means voice or one of the libraries path and join. Join means you can first of all join these templates to the this project. Okay, this folder has a HTML files are there. You can add to this project. Okay, this is the base dir action. Okay, in this folder I created on home.html. It's I will kept in the test.php test. One of the text is present in the h1 tags. Okay, after that I can run now. Run the I create a one terminal, new terminal. I will run this a project. You can use this code manage.py file and run server. Okay, you can copy now this code or otherwise you can directly click now. It's a control and click now. It's a directly came. After that you can give the URL path. Whatever maybe you can give in the URL path. It's a came. Okay. Main important. Okay, anyone it's a doubts came that time just pin me in this time. Okay, before 10 o'clock or maybe in this time also. Maybe I started at 9:30 has a one call is there that time also. Maybe before 9:30 all are utilizing me. Okay, any doubts anyone? How to create app, how to create a project, how to link this app to the main project. Okay, what is that db, how to get the db, how to get the db. You can just run this file. It's automatically came db. Okay, manage.py file. What purpose you can use the manage.py file. Okay, what is the demo.html settings, how to it's going. I've already explained it. Okay, anyone any doubts? చెప్పాను కదా, జాంగో వాటికి మాత్రం చాలా సింపుల్గా చిన్నగా వెళ్తాం. మీకేమీ హరీ బరీగా వెళ్ళట్లేదు. ఇవాళ చెప్పింది ఒక చిన్న యాక్షనే నేను చెప్పింది. ఎనీ డౌట్స్? నో డౌట్స్?
Shiva, can you please send the recordings? You are uploading in YouTube, but the
No, 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 no,
voice is
no,
not available in YouTube, online classes for YouTube.
no. I'm not. Just of all, I'm recording. I'm not uploading in the YouTube.
Yeah,
I'm
but
not.
when we have asked that, they said we are uploading in the YouTube. I have searched, but voice is not present in the YouTube videos.
I don't know the.
I don't want all the recordings, just Django recordings because I was absent for the past 2 days. That's the reason I'm asking.
This is the starting class for Django. Previous classes I am explaining only HTML and Bootstrap and JavaScript only.
Is this first class for today?
Yeah, from Django.
Okay. At least please send today's just one recording today's.
సింధుజ ఒకటి చెబుతున్నాను ఇవన్నీ నాకు దగ్గర ఏమి ఉండవు నేను యాక్సెస్ చేయడానికి కూడా ఏం లేదు అసలు ఇవి జస్ట్
మరి
ఆఫ్ ఆల్
ఎవరిని అడగాలి మేము?
ఇవాళ మనీష్ సార్ కూడా వన్స్ ఐ విల్ స్టాప్ మై రికార్డ్ ఓకే